Hello guys, my name is Adeola Deus, and in today's video I'm going to show you the step-by-step approach to starting up your Google or BARD or Google BARD AI. You understand? That's BARD, Google BARD AI. So you just go to your, let's check what Google BARD is all about. Google BARD AI. Google BARD AI. Alright, BARD is actually a conversational generative artificial intelligence chatbot developed by Google, based initially on the Lambda family of large language models and later the Palm LMM. Alright, so it was launched 21st March 2023. So Google BARD is actually an AI, you understand, whereby you can actually ask a question and it gives you a prompt answer. Alright, so it's an interactive chatbot. Alright, so it is just like your ChatGPT, alright, which many persons are actually used to. Alright, so Google BARD is actually a conversational artificial intelligence chatbot. Alright, you can ask Google BARD some couple of questions and it's going to answer you immediately. So if I'm going to sign up now, just go to BARD, go to bard.google.com, sign up. Alright, so I'm going to click on the first one. I'm going to click on the first one. I'm going to click on the first one. Alright, you can see it says BARD can draft an email accepting the job offer. You can see it now. So meet BARD, your creative and helpful collaborator, here to supercharge your imagination, boost your productivity and bring your ideas to life. Alright, so sometimes, like I'll be honest with you guys, from the starting of this year I've been using artificial intelligence mostly to treat some of my clients' work, and it gives me speedy delivery in terms of my work, right? So I can also recommend you to use Google BARD AI, that is artificial intelligence. So it makes your work faster. It can actually help to supercharge your imagination and also boost your productivity and bring your ideas to life. Or you can see that now. So what I'm going to click on is what? I'll click on try BARD. I'll click on try BARD. Then you can actually go through these terms and privacy, right? Your data and BARD, right? So you can scroll down, you can go through it, or if you don't want to go through it, you can just scroll down and click on I agree. I agree. So it's almost like ChatGPT too, right? So you can see this says BARD is an experiment. BARD is an experiment. Will not always get it right, right? It's not always get it right. So BARD will not always get it right. BARD may give inaccurate or inappropriate responses. So when in doubt, use the Google It button to check BARD response. So BARD is actually an interactive artificial intelligence that can actually make your work faster. Alright, so I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to click on continue. Alright, you can see that now. So basically this is very easy for me to sign in because I already added my Gmail account on my Chrome browser. So before you open a BARD account, you must have signed into your Google account, your Gmail account, before you do that, right? Now I can decide to ask this BARD any question. For example, I may say, what is email marketing? What is email marketing? And it's going to give me a prompt answer. So it's an interactive artificial intelligence. You can see it now. Email marketing is a form of direct marketing. So if I'm going to write a blog on email marketing, for example, I can just I'll copy this. You can see it now. I'll just copy it and then I'll paste it on my blog. Can you see it now? Alright, so it's very easy to doing this stuff. Alright, so you can click on the good response or the bad response. Alright, so you can do this now. Right, so you understand what I'm saying now. So all you have to do now is to copy this and then get started.
Do you run systems?
Alright, so all you just have to do now is to copy this content and then you paste it on your blog post. Alright, I can also write a short description on about the Glimpse Media, a digital marketing firm in Benin City. Alright, so it's going to give me a feedback in less than 1 minute, except your network is bad. You can see it now. So Glimpse Media is a digital marketing firm located in Benin City, Nigeria. The company was founded in 2018 by a team of, in fact, it's even telling me the exact date to which my business was founded. That is the exact date, the exact year to which I registered this business with CAC. You can see it now. By a team of experienced digital marketers, Glimpse Media offers the following services. You can see it now, and then it's telling me everything about the Glimpse Media. So I can just copy this information. I can copy this information and paste it on my website. So this is how to get started using Google Bard artificial intelligence. So using this is going to help you to speed up your work and also getting desired results for your services. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and you can drop a comment, and feedback can be sent to me on WhatsApp. I can also assist you in doing other digital marketing stuff. Thank you.